Have you ever encountered a video you like so much you wanted everyone you know to see it? However, the repost button not showing up can put a damper on this fun sharing activity. Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix repost button not working on TikTok. Before starting the video, I have a request. If our video is of any benefit to you, please give a like and comment on the video. Your like and comment will encourage us to make next video. If a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. First, long press on TikTok app. Click App Info. Click Storage Use. Click Clear Cache. Then click Clear Data. After clearing data, your account will be logged out from your TikTok app. You will need to log in again. Click OK. Click Back. Click Permission. Then allow all permission. Click Back. Then click Manage Notification. If you have notifications turned off, turn them on. Click Force Stop. Open Google Play Store. Click Search bar, then type TikTok. Click TikTok. If you get any update, please update. Open TikTok app. Click Agree and Continue. You can select or skip a few categories of video you like to watch. Click Next. Then click Start Watching. Click Profile. Click Sign Up. Then click Login. Select the account through which you open the TikTok account. If you have any problem, please comment. If a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us.